Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
We have explained two characteristics, the differentiation of the moss and the undifferentiation of the liverwort. Then we have also explained the second characteristic is that they show alternation of generations whereby gametophyte is the persistent plant. So the main part is the gametophyte, is the persistent plant. Another characteristic that we can get from the class Bryophyta is that this particular class does not have the vascular system. So we don't have the xylem and the phloem. So it lacks the vascular system. And therefore we can say that therefore transport occurs by diffusion. The size is small, the plants are small, they cannot fit a vascular system or a transport system, but diffusion enhances the transport of materials from one point to another. Also, the members of class Bryophyta are multicellular, made of multiple cells, many cells, and eukaryotic. Eukaryotic means that their nucleus is enclosed by a nuclear membrane. All the members of the kingdom Plantae, they are eukaryotic. And also another point, just to emphasize about the gametophyte, is that Achigonia bears the female gametes, while Antheridia bears the male gametes. And based on that, we can also say that they have sexual reproduction. Which is dependent on water. Sexual reproduction which is dependent on water. And that's why you find that most of the bryophytes, we find them in the damp areas. We find them in damp areas because sexual reproduction is dependent on water. For example, a place where water is trickling, you'll find the moss plant growing there, something that looks like a green carpet. Yeah. So that's an explanation that their mode of sexual reproduction is dependent on the presence of water. So we're going to stop there.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.